प्रोटीन इज वेरी एसेंशियल, ये हम सब जानते हैं, especially when it comes to athletes, gym goers and fitness freaks. प्रोटीन पाउडर्स एंड प्रोटीन सप्लीमेंटेशन एक बहुत widely discussed topic है. To get your fair idea about protein powders and what goes into making them, we have teamed up with a nutrition expert, Dr. Nitika Anand. Over to you, Dr. Nitika.
Hey guys, let's dig deep to understand कि आपके प्रोटीन पाउडर को चूज करने से पहले उसमें क्या इंग्रेडिएंट्स चेक करने चाहिए. What exactly to look for while choosing the right protein powder for yourself. स्टार्ट करने से पहले let's take a quick look at the protein basics.
चलो भाई देखो अब मैं क्या करता हूँ.
Protein is crucial for everyone, especially those looking to build muscles. It is present throughout the body in muscles, bones, skin, hair, and even आपके other body parts or tissues में. Believe it or not, at least 10,000 different proteins make you what you are and keep you that way. If we go a little deeper,
अच्छा
don't worry, I'm not conducting a science class over here.
ठीक है.
प्रोटीन बनते हैं अमीनो एसिड से. अमीनो एसिड्स आर द बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स. ये अमीनो एसिड्स फर्दर डिवाइड होते हैं इनटू असेंशियल एंड नॉन असेंशियल अमीनो एसिड्स में. लेट्स कीप द एक्सप्लेनेशन फॉर द लैटर हाफ. सो स्पीकिंग ऑफ मसल एंड प्रोटीन, मसल इज बिल्ड यूजिंग प्रोटीन. इसका मतलब है यू मस्ट ईट प्रोटीन टू बिल्ड मसल. लेकिन मसल बिल्डिंग इज नॉट द ओनली गोल. प्रोटीन इज ऑल्सो नीडेड टू प्रिवेंट मसल डैमेज, fasten muscle recovery and prepare you for the next day's training.
समझ गया.
Having discussed the importance, let's take a closer look at the protein. Protein किससे बनता है and आपको क्या check करना चाहिए before choosing a protein supplement for yourself. First and the most important is amino acids. Your protein is made up of amino acids, so you must look for their presence in your protein powder. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein. There are total 20 amino acids, जिसमें से 9 essential amino acids होते हैं and 11 non-essential amino acids. The 9 essential amino acids your body cannot synthesize, so वो आपको अपनी diet में लेने पड़ते हैं. The rest 11 non-essential amino acids your body can synthesize. Speaking of essential amino acids, each one has a unique purpose to solve. Essential amino acids का use होता है in the growth and repair of tissues, to protect your body from inflammation, to aim for better and faster muscle recovery, and to maintain the existing muscle mass. Not only this, essential amino acids आपकी muscle and skin की tone and elasticity को भी regulate करते हैं. All these recovery attributes एक athlete और sports person के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हैं, considering the amount of wear and tear their body has to go through. If we take up an example of a very common ACL tear among athletes, then essential amino acids, if supplemented well, can help in faster recovery, better collagen formation and wound healing. To be honest, सही supplementation tear को prevent भी कर सकता है in the first place. Coming to the next important thing, that is BCAA. Yes, they are a part of essential amino acids, but we need to emphasize on them separately. BCAAs or branch chain amino acids are hard-working amino acids. Leucine, isoleucine and valine come under their category. BCAAs आपकी muscle building में help करते हैं and they also contribute to decrease muscle soreness and fatigue. Valine helps to regulate blood sugar and maintain energy levels by supplying glucose to your working muscles. It is also known to maintain mental and physical stamina. अगर isoleucine की बात करें तो it is heavily concentrated in your muscles, providing your muscles appropriate fuel to do work. Lastly, leucine. It is very crucial and essential. As mentioned, it is both an essential amino acid and a BCAA. लेकिन leucine को बहुत important क्या बनाता है? उसका direct involvement in muscle protein synthesis. It is considered to enhance strength. It is the most important amino acid in building muscle mass. ऐसा इसलिए बिकॉज ये मसल प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस के बायोकेमिकल प्रोसेस में डायरेक्टली इन्वॉल्व होता है. So before you invest in your protein powder, make sure all the amino acids are present in your protein powder in right amount and quality. This was all for today. See you in next video.